Welcome to ExpressVote Universal Voting System, which can be used by all voters, including those with special needs, to make their selections. Please take a few moments to watch this video to learn how to make your selections quickly and easily. Step 1. Insert Vote Session Activator card. First, insert the Vote Session Activator card you received at check-in into the slot on the ExpressVote device. Align the corner cut on the card with the corner cut on the unit as shown. Step 2. Touch Selections. Next, make your selections on the touchscreen by touching the box with the candidate's name. Once chosen, your selection will change colors. You can easily navigate through the election contests by touching the options labeled Next and Previous. You may change the language displayed by pressing Languages at the top of the screen. The language displayed can be changed at any time when voting. If you have visual limitations, you can use the contrast option to change the screen to high contrast black and white. Selecting the zoom function makes the text appear larger on the screen. Step 3. Verify selections. After you have made all of your selections, it's time to review them on screen to confirm your choices. Once satisfied with your selections, print your card by navigating to the next screen. Print your card by touching the Print Card option. Your printed card will be returned to you from the same slot on the front of the ExpressVote device. Step 4. Scan. Now it's time to insert your voted card into the DS200 digital scanner to cast your selections. Thank you for taking the time to learn how to use the ExpressVote Universal Voting System, enhancing your voting experience. For more information, visit ESSVote.com.